Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hey, this is Lee Murray. How are you? I hope you're doing great. I'm going to brag a little bit, I guess. So, I've been at this since 2013. I mean, I've been making money online since about 2008. I actually got started way back in 2005, kind of. And then I dabbled a little bit in 2008. I decided to take things a little bit more seriously. I did pretty well for about 5 years, off and on, the bumps in the road for sure. And then in about 2013, I ended up quitting my job to do this full time. And what changed for me between 2005, 2008, and then 2013 was one thing and one thing alone, and that was email marketing. Okay. Now you can see this is pretty much since about 2013, we've got about $106,000 in Warrior Plus. On the affiliate side, about 406,000 on the vendor side, and this doesn't even represent close to half of my income. I mean, things like coaching, way more affiliate programs. I've got some screenshots below. I don't want to, spend too much time touting my own results. I just wanted to kind of let you know that these are the types of results that I've gotten almost exclusively via email marketing, right? My emails have been praised by many marketers over the years. And so I decided to really get into helping the public, good folks like you who are trying to make good money online, crazy good money online, actually, and who have been just like kind of spinning their wheels, not getting any traction, not knowing where to begin. Listen, it starts with one thing. It starts with loading emails into your autoresponder, okay? Beyond that, you can start building your list using tried and true traffic generation strategies and some new ones, okay? Some exciting new ones, and sending people to a very, very high converting, very high quality lead capture system. All right. So that's how you succeed online. You send quality traffic to a quality funnel, and then you load up years worth of quality emails on the back end so that each and every day they're receiving a new email from you, and it's earning you money each and every day for years to come. Okay. Now I recommend that you have hundreds, if not thousands of emails loaded into your autoresponder, but one problem that would arise if you are just loading up emails that are promoting specific offers is, what if one of those offers goes the way of the dinosaur, right? What if one of them becomes ineffective, it's outdated, the vendor pulls the offer, from the market, and then you're left high and dry. And what would you have to do? You would have to like remember which of your hundreds of emails was promoting that product, and then you would have to go into your autoresponder, swap out that link with a new link for a new product that you discovered that probably would still have to make sense with the wording of that email. And it would be a huge hassle. It would drive you insane, and you would give up hastily, right? Promptly. That's the word I was looking for. You would give up promptly. And so that is why I have decided to get really heavily invested in the world of rotator emails. Now, what a rotator email is these are like nuggets of truth and wisdom and persuasion. Okay, but they're not directly promoting any one particular product. They promote in a general sense, like, that's why I recommend this, as your clickable call to action. That's why I recommend this. Okay, or this can help. Click here, and this will help you, right? And so the emails can be very, very persuasive, highly relationship building, and incredibly well written, if you don't mind my saying so. Yet your link will always be the same. Every single hyperlink will link to the same exact link, and that is your rotator link. Okay? And so today's offer is called the Rotator Kit. And the reason I've called it that is because I'm providing you with a month's worth of emails, an entire month's worth of emails. And I'm going to be offering the multiple volumes of this package. And each one will include a new month's worth of brand new rotator emails. And all of those emails will also be hyperlinked with the exact same link every single time. This makes your job super easy, okay? And I'm giving you full training inside, but it's going to give you the ability to promote one single link repeatedly, and yet your audience will never get bored with your offers, because all you ever have to do is go into your rotator and add, your new favorite product. And you can obviously delete products that aren't performing for you, or products that have been pulled from the market or whatever, and you never have to go in and touch one of your emails. You never have to go into your autoresponder and do a bunch of surgery, okay? This is as set and forget as it can possibly get. And again, I'm giving you full training, and I'm providing you with access to a 100% free link rotator. It's a WordPress plugin, and it is like plug and play simple. And again, it is 100% free. So you don't have to invest in any $77 a month Click Magic software if you don't want to. Everything is going to be free for you. So, and I'm also providing you with full training and a full lead capture system. Nay, not just a lead capture system, the best lead capture system. The best lead capture system with the best funnel that you can possibly get your hands on today. You're also receiving all of that as part of this package deal today. And the star of the show is obviously your 30 or 31, because I alternate between 31 and 30 done for you emails, depending on which month it is that I happen to be writing it in. But I'm going to alternate between 31 and 30 done for you emails, rotator emails. So all you ever have to do is load them up and then hyperlink the calls to action with a single link. And I give you full training. Once again, I give you full training. So you can actually end up with thousands of emails in your autoresponder that took you a few hours to load, total, collectively, because it's so fast and easy. It's copy and paste simple. And again, you're always only sharing one easy to remember link, and it just couldn't be simpler. But is it profitable? Yeah, again, check the screenshots, check, my earnings, and use your own common sense. If you have years worth of emails loaded into your autoresponder, they're full of timeless truths, right? We're not promoting individual products. We're just talking about timeless marketing truths that are going to actually help people, make you come out looking like a shining star. And then you're always going to be promoting the freshest, most relevant most high converting offers, because all you ever have to do is add your new offers to your rotators, take the old offers out. Okay, and you can have as many products or as few products represented in your rotator as you wish. This is so simple, and this is the correct way to make money on the internet today. Okay, so again, you're getting full training, you're getting access to my 100% free funnel, which, I mean, there's nothing that you have to do with it if you don't want to. There's no money to invest if you don't want to. You got multiple options, but you can do this entirely for free once you've picked up this package, which is only $12.95. Okay, and then you can implement this for free and make a ton of money. By the way, my funnel, that includes traffic training for 30 days. It is a 30-day coaching program. So get yourself in there, get yourself invested, and take your daily actions. And I promise you, you're going to see results that you won't even believe were achieved by you. Okay? And so that's it for me. I hope that you take advantage of this. I hope you take me up on this incredible opportunity that nobody else is offering you. Okay, this is something very unique, very special, and I cannot wait to see you on the inside so I can help you finally make that huge income that you've been so longing to earn for yourself and your family. All right, I'll see you inside. Thanks so much for watching. Click below now.